Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the silent mode on this watch. Basically mute all of the sounds on our device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of icons, and you're looking for this icon, for the speaker icon. And if you want to enable the silent mode, basically turn off the sounds on your watch, you need to tap on this icon until you see the option mute, because you have 3 states of the watch. My bad, let me exit the settings and go back to the quick panel. You have mute, sound and vibrate. And if you want to completely disable the sound, select the mute. If you want to have the vibration enabled, select the vibrate. And of course, if you want to have the sound enabled, select the sound. And once you're done, you can swipe up to close the quick panel. And that's how you silent all of the sounds or enable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.